Hi, Robert Tolnay here, your full-time real estate agent. I wanted to introduce you today to this amazing new listing that we're going to have come on the market in the next day or two. You gotta see this home, okay? So I'm just going to give you a brief introduction and then take you inside so you can see the rest. It's almost 3,000 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, plus an additional den and a huge loft upstairs for the kids or whatever you want to turn it into. Really awesome house, but what you're gonna love the most about it is the backyard. It's got a pool that's heated. It's got a jacuzzi with a nice spillover into the pool. Beautiful lights at night, and the coolest thing about it, and I get an awesome kick out of this, it's all digital. You can do everything off your phone. Turn on the heat off your phone, turn on the water features off your phone, no matter where you're at. So by the time you get home, everything is ready for you to go. So come on in, let me show you around, and if you know anybody who's interested, give me a call or text me or just comment below and we'll bring them in to take a look at it. Come on in.